Ever pondered over how you can enter the Raffle Bazaar Toyota RAV4 giveaway? You're in the right place. This video will guide you through the step-by-step process, unraveling the mystery of the Raffle Bazaar. First things first, ensure you meet the participation requirements. Raffle Bazaar sets certain prerequisites for all participants. Age limit is one such requirement. You need to be of a certain age to participate, so make sure you check the age limit before you proceed. Next, you need to understand the tax regulations. Yes, you heard it right. Taxes do apply on giveaways. You should be aware of these nuances to avoid any surprises later. Now, on to the exciting part, participating in the draw. The process is digital and quite straightforward. All you need to do is follow the instructions provided on the Raffle Bazaar website. Remember, every draw has a deadline. Make sure you enter before the clock runs out. Once you've entered the draw, it's all about patience. The official draw results get communicated exclusively on the Raffle Bazaar website. Keep an eye out for the results and keep your fingers crossed. If you're the lucky winner, congratulations. But the journey doesn't end here. You have to claim your prize within the stipulated time frame. And yes, winners are responsible for registration fees and necessary charges. The Toyota RAV4 is not just a vehicle. It's a blend of confidence, comfort, and style, perfect for both on- and off-road adventures. Winning it in a giveaway is an opportunity you don't want to miss. Now that you're equipped with all the information, why wait? Dive into the world of Raffle Bazaar and enter the Toyota RAV4 giveaway. Make sure to share this video with your friends and family who might be interested in participating. Remember, you can't win if you don't participate. So go ahead, participate in the Raffle Bazaar Toyota RAV4 giveaway, and who knows, you might just drive home in style. Good luck.